Hello friends, welcome to Hongo theme video tutorials. In this video I will show you how to customize Hongo theme using theme options in WordPress Customize panel. So go to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Customize. Here you can view lots of settings in the left side panel, and Website Preview in the right side panel. You can also preview the website in desktop, tablet, and mobile using these icons at bottom. Let me explain summary of each tab one by one. Top 6 tabs from Site Identity to Homepage Settings are available by default in WordPress, and all others are custom built by Hongo. Site Identity, you can manage site title and tagline here, which is visible in Browser tab and that will become the page title also. Header image, this image will be visible in the top header background. Background image, this image will be visible as page background. Menus, you can view all menus here which are mainly set up at Appearance, Menus. Widgets, you can view all widgets here which are set up at Appearance, Widgets. Homepage settings, you can select the page here which you want to show as your website homepage. And select the page here, which will be visible as blog page with list of all blog posts. Now let me go to General Theme Options section. Under Construction, you can switch on or off under construction mode here, and select the page here which you want to display while your website is in under construction mode. Custom Sidebars, here you can add custom sidebars as many as you want. You can then add widgets in those sidebars at Appearance, Widgets. And these sidebars can be used to assign in different areas of the website within Customize panel setting. Promo pop-up, you can switch on the option to make the promo pop-up visible when someone open your website. And here you can assign the promo pop-up section, which you can create under Hongo section builder with the content and layout as per your need. Disable styles and scripts. Under page scroll, you can switch on and off page smooth scroll. In this area you can disable any module CSS and JavaScript to reduce the page load, but you should be aware that you are not using features or elements in your website which are built using those libraries, otherwise that feature may stop working. Animation in mobile, by default we have disabled animations in mobile devices as animations interfere the page loading and scrolling in mobile devices, but you can switch on animation in mobile here if you wish. 404 page, you can manage content, background image, button and typography settings for the page not found. 404 page. Scroll to top, you can switch on and off scroll to top button here. And you can manage the content, font color and size settings. When you scroll in the page, then scroll up button will be visible at bottom right here. Search block, you can manage search pop-up content typography here, and that will be applied in this pop-up which will be visible when you click search icon in the header. GDPR settings. Basically WordPress itself is GDPR compliant. But you can switch on and off GDPR privacy pop-up here as well as manage the pop-up content, button and typography in this section. Image metadata, in this section, you can switch on and off image alt tag, title and caption in lightbox pop-up. Now let me go to header and footer section. Mini header, you can switch on and off the mini header here, which will be visible at very top of the website. Let me switch on it and select the mini header section which is created under Hongo section builder. I can see my dark mini header at top here. You can manage mini header for different areas of your website like for page, post single, post archive, default posts or blog home, product single and product archive or shop pages. Header, you can switch on and off the header here. There are two parts of header, one is header top and another is main header. You can use ready header sections or create your custom header sections under Hongo section builder, and assign in this area to make those visible in your website pages. You can also select header style like standard which will be horizontal at top, and left menu which will be vertical header and left side. You can manage header for different areas of your website here. Footer, You can switch on and off the footer here. You can use ready footer section, or create your custom footer section under Hongo Section Builder, and assign in this area to make it visible in your website pages. You can manage footer for different areas of your website here. Logo and favicon. You can switch on and off the logo here. Upload your standard and Retina logo images for normal and sticky header versions. If you have uploaded your logo images here, and if you do not upload logo images in header logo shortcode in your header section, then logo will be taken automatically from this area. Site or favicon icon. You can upload your favicon icon image of at least 512 pixels wide and tall. This icon will be visible in browser title tab, as well as it will be used as your app icon for your website. Now let me go to layout and content section. Page. Here you can select page layout, no sidebar, left sidebar, right sidebar and both sidebars. And then you can select your sidebar for left or right columns here. Select the container style here. Fixed, this will make your website of the fixed width container. Full width, this will make your website full width. Full width with paddings, this will make your website full width, but it will add some padding in left and right. You can switch on and off the comments for pages. Post single. You can manage layout and container style for post single same way like I have explained for pages. In this section you can switch on and off various post data like featured image, date, author, category, tags, like, share, author box and comments, and select post layout style and some other settings also. You can manage related posts grid, visibility, content and typography here. Colors for various post data can be changed here. Author box typography and colors can be adjusted in this area. Post archive. Post archive means post category, tags, author and search result pages. You can manage layout and container style for post archive same way like I have explained for pages. Let me go to author archive page. You can switch on description here, and that will be visible at top of the archive page. You can select your desired post listing style here from the available list. Let me select image type and change number of columns to 2 columns, and see the live preview here. You can assign the animation here. Pagination can be switched on and off, as well as you can select the pagination type like number pagination or infinite scroll pagination. All other post metadata like thumbnail, icon, title, category, excerpt, etc. can be managed here. You can manage post title typography and colors in this section. Same way content typography and colors can be adjusted here. Post meta and button color and some other settings can be changed here in these sections. Default posts or blog home. You can manage the settings for blog home page in the same way like I have explained for post archive pages. Sticky post. You can check mark any post as sticky post, and that will have different styling than the normal posts in post listing pages. You can manage post related data, title typography and colors, content typography and colors, posts meta and button colors, and some other settings here for sticky posts. Box layout. If you want box layout instead of full width layout, then you can switch on this option and enter the box width in pixel as per your requirement. Let me go to title wrapper settings. Page. You can switch on and off page title. Change container style to fixed, full width or full width with padding. Here you can select your desired page title style from the available styles. Let me select left alignment, and it is applied here. Title and subtitle text case can be managed here. You can enter your desired subtitle here, which will be general for all pages. But you can add subtitle page-wise and edit page under page level settings for every page also. Upload page title background image here. Select thumbnail if you want to use thumbnail instead of full-size original image. Select parallax, opacity level and opacity color here. Let me switch on breadcrumb. Breadcrumb position and alignment can be managed here. Add top space of header height will add top margin same as header height to move the page title content down. After header, switch on, it will start page title area after header is finished. Header content is white so it is not visible. Top and bottom space can be managed using these fields. Let me add some space to check it. Let me select gallery background style. In this case you can upload your gallery images here in general. You can also upload gallery images page-wise in edit page. For background video. Self video, you can enter your video full URL in these fields, mainly MP4 is sufficient. You can also select external option, and add your YouTube or Vimeo video ID or embed URL. Title and subtitle typography and colors can be managed in this section. Now go back, and all the above explained page title settings can be done for post single, post archive, default posts or blog home, product single and product archive or shop. Let me go back and click Sidebar Settings tab. Post. Here you can select sidebar widget style. Change content, link, background, border colors for widgets here. You can manage widget title typography and colors here. Same way you can manage sidebar, and widget style, typography and colors for pages and products in their respective sections. Now go back and check social share settings. Post single. You can check mark your desired social sharing platforms here, and drag and drop to order them and those will be visible in your post pages here. Same way you can manage social sharing for product pages in this product single section, and those will be visible in the product page here. Now let me go to WooCommerce Settings tab. Store Notice. You can enter your notice, or marketing message for the store and enable it. It will be visible at the bottom here. Product Catalog. Shop Page Display. Here you can define what to display in your shop landing page. Show products only, show categories only, or show products and categories combined. Same way you can select the display for your category pages. And you can select default product sorting type here. Product Images. Here you can enter main image width, which will be visible in product detail page, and thumbnail width, which will be visible in product listing pages. And in this section you can select your desired image cropping method. Checkout. Here you can manage some fields visibility, and data entry requirement options, and set up privacy policy, and terms content, and related pages links. You can manage various typography and colors in these sections like for title, form fields, buttons, payment box, and some other general content. Cart. Cross-sell products section can be switched on and off here and enter the section title. Number of columns, spacing between columns. Number of products and thumbnail size can be adjusted here. Slider on, will make it slider, otherwise it will display as a grid. Cross-cell slider configuration like slides per view in desktop, tablet and mobile, pagination, navigation, loop and autoplay can be done in this section. Manage cross-cell section title typography here. Table title typography and color can be changed here. Table content typography and color can be changed here. Cart box title typography and color can be changed here. Button typography and color can be changed here. Card box elements colors can be managed here. Mini cart. USP text, typography and colors can be managed in this section. Some other typography and colors can be managed in these different sections like general, product title, price, subtotal label, subtotal price, view cart, and checkout buttons and their colors as well. My account. In this tab there are various sections to manage different colors and typography if you want to customize customer account panel at some extent. Product single. You can manage layout and container style for product single same way like I have explained for pages. You can select the product detail page style from the awesome collection here. First one is default with horizontal thumbnail slider. Right content. Carousel style. Left content. Classic with vertical thumbnail slider. Sticky content with scrolling image gallery. Modern style. Extended product. In actual it will look like this. Variation swatch style can be either boxed, or default drop down. Switch off slider and it will display grid instead of thumbnail slider. Zoom icon can be switched on and off here and background color can be also changed here. You can hide or show product brand name or logo here. Sale label is visible here. Switch off percentage sale box, so it will display sale text only and that can be changed also here. Sold label will be visible for out of stock items and its text can be changed here. New label can be switched on and off as well. Text can be changed here. Title, short description, SKU, category, tag, wish list, compare, share, tab content heading. These can be switched on and off as well. For some of those text can be changed also. Let me switch on sticky add to cart option and that will be visible at bottom upon scroll down. The top and bottom paddings can be managed using these options. Let me add 10 px of top padding and view the result here. Breadcrumb and navigation box can be switched on and off in this section. In this section you can manage related products, and upsell products blocks, which are visible at bottom here. In this section you can enter size guide title, text and content if it is general for your overall catalog. You can also add this content product-wise and edit product. Many different elements, typography and colors can be managed easily, like for sale, new and sold label, product title, rating star, price, short description, stock, quantity input field, add to cart button, product meta, product tab titles, product list title, product archive or shop landing page. Product archive means category, tags, shop landing page, and product search result pages. You can manage layout and container style for product archive same way like I have explained for pages. You can switch on description here, and that will be visible at top of the archive page. There are lots of beautiful product listing styles available here. Let me select and preview one by one. Classic, minimalist, metro. For this style you will need to assign proper orders to your products and should have different and proper image sizes in the metro pattern you are looking to display. For demo purpose let me go to shop, style, shop, Metro. Flat. Modern. Clean. Masonry. This will better display with different height images. Let me check actual demo here. Standard. List. Simple. Default. This is WooCommerce default style. Number of columns and spacing between columns can be changed here as needed. You can select animation, delay and duration here. Enter number of products per page to display. Content alignment can be left, center or right. Switch on and off pagination and pagination style of number pagination and infinite scrolling. Switch on top filter and it can be off canvas also. Switch on and off Ajax filters. Switch on and off sale, percentage sale, new and sold label and change label text as required. You can switch off alternate image on hover here. Switch on and off star rating, add to cart, quick view, wish list, compare features and related text also. Many different elements, typography and colors can be managed easily here, like for sale, new and sold label, product title, price, product buttons, quick view pop-up. Product quick view can be launched using this icon. Various data fields in this pop-up can be switched on and off in this section, as well as their typography and colors can be managed in these sections. Compare pop-up. Let me go to Product Archive or Shop section and switch on Compare feature. User can add products to compare list using this icon, and then you can compare products' features, price, rating, etc. in this compare pop-up. And then this pop-up different content typography and colors can be managed using all these sections. Wishlist page. In this wishlist page, user can view their products added in the wish list. From here they can view their wish list products in future, or add them to cart and remove products from their wish list. Different elements, typography, and colors can be managed in these sections here. General settings. You can switch on catalog mode, so visitors can view the product details only, but they cannot purchase products and submit the order. Various default messages, alerts style can be changed here. Product icons. Here in this section you can select your desired icons for add to cart fill, variable product, group product, quick view, wish list and compare features. You can switch on smart product option here, and select your desired product to showcase as smart product in the pop-up like you can see here. Display smart product after some time or scroll. And you can manage scroll pixels or delay time in milliseconds. Set cookie time in days to reopen smart product after it is closed. You can also switch on and off smart product in mobile. Now go to typography and color section. Font family. Hongo is using two font families, main and additional. And you can select your desired fonts from Google Free Fonts library for main and additional fonts here. As well as you can select font weight and Google font languages. You can select font display property also. If you want to use Adobe or Typekit font, then switch on this option, and enter your project ID generated in your Adobe or Typekit account to fetch those fonts. You can also add your custom fonts using this section and by uploading various font file formats. Font size and line height. Here you can add font size and line height for body and content fonts. Font color. Here you can add body content, body background, link and link hover colors. Comment. Here you can manage border, comment title, typography and colors for page or post comments area. Heading. You can switch on and off H1 tag and logo in your website homepage. And in these various sections you can manage different H tags, typography and colors. Like for H1, H2 until H6. Base color. There is one base color, which can be considered as your brand color and it can be changed here. Address bar color. The color assigned here will be visible in address bar in the mobile devices. Additional CSS. You can enter your custom CSS code here, which you may have written to customize your website elements deeply. Additional JS. In this section you can add custom tracking or JS script code and make sure to add the code with script start and end tags. Export, import settings. You can click Export button to export the existing settings of WordPress Customize panel. And then it can be imported in future to get those settings back. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other queries then please feel free to contact us via our support system. Thank you for watching.